Very fitting because it hadn't been that long ago when we was here for Ricky and Kermit. But today we're here for another reason. We're here to celebrate and to talk about Raymond. My wish for today is that we can draw comfort.
Okay. All right, we'll see. Oh, Lord. You doing, Ham?
Hey, Paul.
Let me video, man. I'm a wanted man.
Oh, no.
Where you headed, Sledge?
Somewhere.
Huh?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. What, you doing, video?
Yeah. See, Carol.
Who?
Carol Jordan was here.
I don't know if I seen her. I wouldn't pay no attention to her.
Big now.
Oh, shit, she always been big.
Yeah.
Reclassified last year, enrolled early, and he has earned his way and continues to impress each and every day in practice. And impressive here with his first Alabama touchdown. And Nicholson again for the point after, 21-0. Finally an explosive play from the offense. We knew he'd get him at some point.
Good.
I'm sure Crimson Tide fans expected it much sooner. He comes here with about 2.5 to go in the first. But it's going to be on the board, but no, this is it. Well wide to the right. So despite the turnover by Alabama, Western Kentucky remains scoreless and the Tide up to